We are going to be multiplying a thing called binomials, polynomials. Bi meaning two terms, and poly meaning many terms on the back page. And we're going to do it by finding area. The area of a rectangle, you just multiply base times the height. So that's 4 times 4, which is 16. 4 times 8 gives me the 32. 4 times 7 is 28. And this is my 56, because it's 7 times 8. Now I can add all those together. 16 plus 32 plus 28 plus 56. Or I could find them an easier way by adding those together. 4 plus 8. And then multiplying it by this side right here, which is 4 plus 7. 12 times 11 is 132. And when you add all these together, you get 132. So they both are equal. It's finding it the exact same way. And we could do it over here also. Now, when I put an x here, we treat it just like a number. I get x times x, which is x squared. I find the area for this spot is 8 times x. X times 7 is the area of this spot. And then 7 times 8, just like the one above, is 56. Now I can write it two different ways. I can write it as x squared plus combined like terms. We always combine like terms. 15x plus 56. But that is also equal to, just like up here, just like up there, this side times that side. So x plus 8 times x plus 7. And those two things are the same. It's two different ways of writing it out. On this one, you can go 2x times x is 2x squared. X times 8 is 8x. This is where everybody makes a mistake. It's 2x times 7, 14x, and then 56. So then I have 2x plus 8 times x plus 7. I can write it that way. And I can also write the area by adding all those together, and that's why we call it the sum. This is the product. So 2x squared plus combine like terms, 22x plus, run out of room, 56. Now these are all very similar. Watch out for the negatives, but this is the goal for us right here. The goal is to say, I want to multiply this guy times that guy. That's when we're multiplying binomials. So we got the 3x minus 2 is this side length. And I have the 2x plus 1 is this side length. 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. 3x times 1 is 3x. And 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. So I can rewrite these binomials as 6x squared, combine like terms, negative 1x minus 2. And people always get confused on this squared. Squared means times itself. So that's x plus 5 times x plus 5. That's one side length, that's the other side length. X squared is x times x, and then 5 times x is 5x, x times 5 is 5x, and a big fat 25. So when you combine the like terms, you get x squared plus 10x plus 25. Look how my handwriting is getting worse. One other one, you can even multiply a binomial by a trinomial. It just has to be a 2 by 3 box. So there's my x squared plus 2x plus 5 and x plus 4. X to the first times x to the second is x to the third. You just add the exponents. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times 5 is 5x. And then x squared times this 4 is 4x squared. Just find the area of each little box. That's all I'm doing. And then I look for combining like terms. Nothing to combine with that x cubed. The squares add together, so that's 2x squared and 4x squared. I have a total of 6x squared. Plus, there's 13 x's, that's a plus, and plus the 20. All right, and that's how you multiply polynomials together. How do I shut this off?